Have you ever noticed that when you're feeling really stressed out or overwhelmed, you tend to make worse decisions? Like you might impulsively buy something you don't need, or say something you'll later regret, or find yourself eating the first food you see instead of making a healthier choice. Well, it turns out that this is actually a pretty common phenomenon. And there are a few psychological reasons why we tend to make irrational decisions when we're stressed. So let's explore these reasons in this episode of our psychology series. Reason number 1, stress activates our lizard brain. Have you ever heard of the lizard brain? It's not an actual brain, but rather a term used by neuroscientists to describe the most primitive part of our brain, the one that's responsible for our fight or flight response to danger. This is the same part of the brain that gets activated when you're under a lot of stress. And when it's activated, it hijacks our rational thought processes and makes us act on instinct instead. This is why when we're stressed, we may find ourselves making impulsive decisions that we wouldn't normally make. We're essentially reverting back to a more primitive state of being where survival is the main focus. Number 2, our ability to think critically is impaired. When we're under a lot of stress, our brains go into what's called fight or flight mode. This mode is designed to help us escape a dangerous situation by either fighting off the threat or running away from it. And to do this, our bodies release a surge of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can impair our ability to think critically and make rational decisions. Instead, our thoughts become scattered and we may find it hard to concentrate or think clearly. In fact, studies have shown that high levels of stress can actually reduce our IQ. So it's not just that we feel stupider when we're stressed, we actually are stupider. This is because the hormones released during fight or flight mode cause our brains to focus on the immediate threat, rather than on problem solving or critical thinking. Reason number 3, we become more emotional. When we're under a lot of stress, our emotions can take over our rational thought processes. This is because the part of the brain that regulates our emotions, the limbic system, becomes more active when we're stressed. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for rational thought, becomes less active. As a result, we may find ourselves reacting to situations in an overly emotional way, whether it's lashing out at others, becoming overly emotional, or making impulsive decisions that we'll later regret. Studies have shown that stress can also make us more prone to negative emotions like anxiety and depression, which can further impair our ability to make rational decisions. And reason number 4, we focus on the negative. When we're under a lot of stress, we tend to focus on the negative aspects of a situation rather than the positive ones. This is because our brains are wired to pay more attention to threats than to safety. This is an evolutionary adaptation that has helped our ancestors survive dangerous situations, but it can also lead us to make irrational decisions when we're stressed. For example, if we're trying to decide whether to take a risk, our brains will naturally focus on the potential negative outcomes rather than the potential positive ones. This is why it's important to be aware of our biases when we are stressed, and to try to focus on the positive aspects of a situation before making a decision. In conclusion, there are many reasons why people make irrational decisions under stress, from the activation of our lizard brain to our focus on the negative. It's important to be aware of these reasons so that we can better understand ourselves and others, and make more rational decisions when we're feeling stressed. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.